Overcomers Prayer Hour. Join us every first Saturday of every month throughout the year 2025.
This year is the burial day of your poverty. This year is the burial year of your hardship.
Taking place live at Freedom Life International Christian Center.
Singleness will die this year. Lack will die this year. This year will be the last time you will borrow money.
It is time to pray and receive answers from God. Ministering God's own General, Pastor Tochukwu Richard.
This year will be the last time you will be a single. This year will be the last time you will be buried. This year will be the last time you will cry. If you believe it, shout a living amen.
Come, join us. Let's together pray our way out every first Saturday of every month.
Somebody pray. That's why you have building and yet you cannot have it. That's why you have a plan yet it does not succeed.
Schedule 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. every first Saturday of every month. Venue number 55 Isashi Road beside Mobile Filling Station of Gospel Bus Stop, Isashi, Lagos State, Nigeria.
Anybody who plan you will die. Anybody going to any coven to make sacrifice to take your first child, your first daughter, I announce to you, your obituary shall be announced.
Overcomers Prayer Hour.
Baragadabada, Elaya Baragadabada, Etele Koba, Iliade Kedia, Orosobada.
Join us every first Saturday of every month throughout the year 2025 for Overcomers Prayer Hour.
Every power that made others fail, I am not your candidate.
You can't be left out.
I take authority over every spirit from your father's side that said you will fail to meet your responsibility, that you will fail as a man, that you will fail as a woman, you will fail to marry. It doesn't matter who meets you, you will still fail to marry, that your pregnancy will fail, that your journey of destiny and success will fail. I stand here to declare that spell is broken.
Don't miss it. Be there.